Good morning. Today we are talking about a beautiful winter morning. Look around. The field is very big. It is quiet and peaceful. Can you see the fog? It is light and soft. The air feels cold, but it is fresh. It smells clean. The grass is wet. It has small drops of water. These are called dew. The sunlight touches the grass and it shines. Look at the trees. They are tall and still. Some trees have no leaves because it is winter. They look sleepy. Now look at the sky. The sun is rising. It is soft and yellow. The fog makes it look like a dream. The sun is not too hot. It feels warm on the skin. It is a nice balance between cold and warm. Can you hear the birds? They are singing. The sound is calm and happy. Look, some birds are flying in the sky. There are footprints on the grounds. Maybe someone walked here early in the morning. The ground is soft and the footprints stay. The field tells a story of who came before. The sun is higher now. The fog is going away. The field is becoming bright. Winter mornings like these are special. They are quite fresh and full of beauty. It is a good time to think and feel happy. Thank you for joining me this morning. I hope you enjoyed the walk in this beautiful field. See you next time.